Hi, I'm Ismail Ghaffar, CEO PropNex. I'm enjoying the comfort of this chair, but it takes a lot of decision to get the right equipment in your office. We have grown today to be the largest real estate company, and over the last 20 years, I've shifted many office and as well as providing an ambience and support for my people. And I must say, I depended on all my office system through Varl office system run by Raymond. I mean, our relationship have gone in the last 10 years, and he have time and again provided reliable service and product that sometimes amaze me. You know, as bosses, we always want a system that not only is comfortable for our people, but it also look lavish and yet reasonable price. While office system have never disappointed me. In fact, for PropNex being the largest real estate company, we have got requirements, auditorium with 500 sitting capacity, or my training room, and as well as very exclusive area with designer chairs, and as well as comfortable chairs or systems that matters. While office system have time and again provided. You know, in any business, it's all about trust, and I dare say that While office system managed by Raymond and his team will provide not only the trust and the quality. Call them anytime and I will vouch for that.